What's up guys, you watch another video. Today is day 3 with the G80. I still can't believe I have this car, guys. It has not hit me yet, but we have a freaking G80 now and it's crazy. Pumping up gas is the second fill up in the G80. So far I've been loving it, guys. I appreciate everyone with the love and support on the first video and the reveal and everything. I appreciate it so freaking much. I'm so hyped that we have a G80 M3 on the channel now. I cannot wait for this build. We have a lot of content coming up. Tomorrow is going to be our first mod, which I'm excited for. Comment down below your guesses what we're going to add first to the car. Something that every car needs for their first mod. That's your hint right there. And every time I get a new car, I always do this first too. So first mod is tomorrow. Wednesday, I think we're gonna lower the car, and then next week we got a bunch of carbon fiber goodies on the way. We got a Valvetronic exhaust on the way. A lot of mods are coming, dude. This car is gonna be built super fast, I bet. I'm trying to slow it down. I'm trying to enjoy the car as we go, but I can't wait to start modding it, guys. I can't wait to slam it. I can't wait to make this thing faster. I can't wait to make this thing louder, and I'm just so excited. What's up, G? The world wants to know, G.
What?
When are you getting a new car? Come on, Kevin has pressure now.
What do you want me to get?
A G82. G82? Just a G80, G82, whatever. You should get a G82. That'd be sick. And I'll have the G80.
It's convertible?
Nah. Wagon? Damn.
That'd be sick.
But what do you guys think? Should Kevin sell this? You should,
comment
bro.
down below.
Yeah, comment down below. He's super attached to it, and I don't blame him, bro. I'm attached to my GTR, and I can't sell it.
You wouldn't sell your GTR?
I don't know. I don't really want to, and I'm kind of sad if I do. Like, I'm sad thinking about selling my car. So I get it, bro. It's hard to let go of a car. It's super freaking hard, trust me. I want to sell my GTR and get like an R8 still, because imagine this and an R8.
Oh, that's
but it's also sick. G80 and a GTR is still no joke.
sick, yeah.
But I could get an R8 if I do sell the GTR and keep the G80, and that'll be a cool combo as well. But anyways, I know how hard it is to sell a car. But you gotta do it, G. Come on. It'll be cool, bro.
Buy it for me.
Shut up. I can't buy nothing no more. I'm trying to convince Kevin, guys, to get a new G80 with me. And then we could both be in G80s. It'll be cool, bro. Cool for a little bit. Then me and you will go to supercars next.
It'll be cute, no?
It'll be cute. Good couple goals. How sick would it be if Kevin got the orange? It's actually an orange G80 color. And I want him to get it, bro. Because you guys know Kevin loves his orange cars. Let's get it. Today we're on the GoPro, as you guys can probably already tell. We're about to go for a little point of view drive. Actually, I haven't driven this thing much, like a couple little street miles, but I've never really got to like really step on it and enjoy the car for what it is. So we're gonna go to a canyon right now, a little canyon run. First canyon run in the G80. First canyon run in the stick shift G80. I'm excited to drive a stick shift. And I'm glad I went stick shift, guys. It's so much more fun, I swear. You guys will see right now. You ready, G?
Yeah.
You're picking your nose or what?
No,
Manual, dude. I swear, you gotta get manual, guys. I was driving it right now, like this morning, and I was like, bro, it honestly, I hate to say it, but I think this is more fun than my F80.
Think so?
I swear. And it's stock.
Does it feel lighter?
I don't know how to explain it, bro. It just feels, it feels like the F80, but just way faster, which is fun.
Power like that quick?
Yes, bro. And it's like actually loses traction. There's a huge difference, bro.
Yeah, interior-wise technology.
Bro, interior is crazy. Like, this is a huge upgrade from an F80. Like, bro, how do you have digital dash, all this stuff? It is crazy. It's a huge difference. But anyways, I hate to say it, but I think this might be funner, guys. This might be funner. I don't know. Than the F80. Thanks, G. Let's go. You want to go in the front or the back?
I'll go in the front.
Bro, you're so dumb. I know there's still a few people out there that wish I got an R8. Trust me, I do too, guys. But you guys gotta understand, there's a lot of benefits of the G80 for me, with my work, with my YouTube career, like everything. The BMW just ultimately is gonna do better on the channel than an R8. I know a lot of people might think otherwise, but guys, an R8 isn't very relatable when it comes to content. People go on YouTube, watch content. Yes, you guys want to see the R8. Trust me, I do too. I want to drive it. But a lot of people like to watch YouTube videos that they can relate to, or something that they might have. There's a lot of G80 owners out there, or a lot of people that are in BMWs that want a G80 one day. A lot of things like that. You can't go wrong for either or. They're two completely different cars too. Manual G80 rear-wheel drive, or just an automatic supercar. You know what I mean? So I know there's benefits of both. Just because we got the G80 now doesn't mean we're not gonna get an R8 one day. I promise, mark my words. You guys know I'm gonna make it happen. I already made this goal happen, and I've been making a lot of goals happen. So You guys know we're gonna have the R8 one day, or we're gonna go straight to a Huracan after this, I swear. And we are gonna make this thing so freaking fast. I promise, even just with the downpipe exhaust, I think it's gonna beat my GTR already. Imagine when I go full 85, tuned, downpipes, intakes, I'm gonna go all the way with this car. Way faster than an R8 as well. So, like I said, there's benefits of both, but the potential that these cars have is no joke. Tune and downpipe, you're close to 800 horsepower. For me to make 800 horsepower on a GTR, do you guys know how much money I gotta spend? Right now, my GTR is 700, okay? To make 800, I gotta upgrade the trans, so let's go $15,000 to $20,000 transmission. Upgraded turbos, I already got quoted for that, 10 racks. That's on top of the downpipes, exhaust, intakes, E85. Bro, you're looking at like 50K to make 800, 1,000 horsepower in a freaking GTR. Yes, give or take, you can get it way less than that and probably use the stock trans, but eventually the trans is gonna go out. This car will hold 800 horsepower. So sick stick shift though, guys. So yeah, like I said, the car is stock, so you can see everything's in Sport Plus Sport, but it's still not that crazy loud because it's a completely stock exhaust. So I know it's probably gonna be a boring video. Not really boring, but you get what I mean. It needs some sound. But don't worry, the Valtronic exhaust is on the way. We're doing a full equal length setup on this car, and you guys will see how it sounds before and after and all that good stuff. Now enjoy the little stock exhaust. It's not terrible, but it's very quiet, especially what we're used to. From an E92 to like an F80, I feel like it was a pretty good, you know, like little upgrade, like BMW wise, like how they upgraded it. But from an F80 to a G80, BMW really took it to the next level, like with the ambient lighting, the digital dash, and all the other technology in this car. It is a huge upgrade from an F80. Don't get me wrong, guys, I still think my F80 looks better. My F80 that I had, I swear it looked better than some G80s out there, but we're gonna make this one cool, I promise. Also, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button right now. Subscribe to the channel. We're on the way to 300,000 subscribers. It's crazy to even say that, to be honest. Like, bro, that is unheard of. Never thought I'd be there, but thank you to you guys. Me and Kevin did a pull the other day, and he low-key was keeping up with me. I thought I would smoke him, but it wasn't that bad. You gotta remember, DCT versus manual, and also stock versus, I don't know what Kevin has done to it. Downpipes, titanium exhaust, and I think way lighter than this big ass boat probably. So fast, dude, I swear. What the? You know what else we gotta add? We gotta add the front mount intakes. They sound crazy. It has little stock burbles. I know it's very hard to hear on camera, but little baby burbles. It's also cool, it has like stock valves too. So just with the click of a button, it's super quiet. And then you can open it up like that. Oh my god, bro, so fast. What's with everyone cutting me off today, bro? My boy with that camera gang. We haven't got a picture of my two cars together yet. We should have the GTR back by the end of the week, and then we'll have two of the cars together, the GTR and the G80. We'll have to do a whole photo shoot like that. It'll be fire. And just go on a cruise with both the cars. Maybe I'll have Kevin drive the GTR for once. But yeah, how dope is that, guys? A GTR and a G80 M3. Goals, bro. Holy crap, I cannot believe that still. Little Finding Nick would be proud. I'm serious though, bro. Like, I literally dreamed of having a freaking GTR and now a freaking G80 M3, like, bro. And to have both, I'm so thankful and I'm so blessed. Like I said in the first video, guys, hard work pays off, and it really does. And I want this to motivate you guys. Hustle and motivate, I swear. Yeah, this shit's gonna be so fun with the exhaust. I already know it's gonna be fun, dude. I cannot wait. Can't even hear my downshift. Rich. Crane Cup G. So fast, guys. This is my first time ever doing a little like canyon run, pretty much, with the G80. First time taking corners, first time taking turns, so it's a little bit getting used to. I don't want to push my limits and fly off the freaking canyon. Just gotta get used to it, literally get used to the power, because I feel like I'm not used to it. I'm scared it's gonna kick out, bro. I'm not really like comfortable yet. God, this thing is crazy. Handling really good. Obviously, it just needs to be louder. It's too quiet. Like, it's probably all just wind noise. I'm sorry. I wish it was louder, dude. How crazy the mountains look. Bro, that looks insane, dude. Holy crap. G, how was that?
It was fun.
My car's too quiet though, bro.
How does it handle though?
It handles good though.
Compared to your F80. You took your F80 on the canyons.
Yeah. It feels similar. I don't know. I'm just scared to like step on it yet.
I know.
I'm trying to get used to it.
Yeah.
Cause bro, this shit has a lot of torque and I don't want it to just kick out and crash, but it's fun and it feels so much fun stick shift, bro.
For sure.
But it's just too quiet, G. I can't even hear the freaking car. I hear yours, dude, I swear. Like, I hear it, I'm downshifting, you don't even hear it, bro. I bet you the GoPro just hears like wind coming. But it's fun.
Don't worry, once you get the exhaust.
I know. It's already on the way, G.
I know. You're moving quick.
It got shipped today, I know.
You're insane.
That's what I said. I was like, bro, the build's gonna go by kind of fast, dude. I should slow it down and enjoy the car like this whole month at least, but
drive it. Yeah.
Well, I give it a month, it's already gonna look completely different.
Suspension, all that's gonna change.
Literally 2 weeks, this car's gonna look completely different already. 1
Rich.
week. You're rich, G. Thanks for sponsoring the build. Look at the mountains though. This shit looks sick, dude. Looks like a BMW commercial, G. Why doesn't BMW sponsor us? We rep the heck out of them.
I know, they really should.
I'm a BMW, I don't even know what you call it, ambassador?
I was supposed to say.
You know how many BMWs I probably sell?
I know.
Dude, they get
they
get the perfect shout out from me every time. Then they gotta start paying us, G.
Yeah, look, we should go complain.
They should have just gave me this, you know? Literally, but how much we rep BMW? We literally rep them as if we get them for free. I'm gonna need a car wash after this, G. Look at the wheels, bro. Hella brake dust.
Did you get any rock chips? I feel like I threw some rocks.
I know, I was scared to go behind you. I was trying to leaving you way ahead so I don't get rock chips. The last thing I need is to crack this windshield or crack a laser headlight, imagine.
Oh, you're screwed.
Can that happen? It could, huh?
Probably.
Imagine a rock just hits the lasers. That'll be all bad. Alright guys, we're gonna start heading down. Should I go on the front, G? You want rock chips?
I'll PPF, so I'm good.
Dude. I should PPF it on.
Yeah.
Or
stealth PPF.
Stealth PPF, that's all I was saying. Bro, it's the same color as the CSL?
Yeah.
No way.
Both, yeah, it's frozen Brooklyn.
I barely I barely realized that.
Wow, it's so sick.
Like when I saw CSL the other day, it was driving next to me on the way to that meet.
Yeah.
And I was like, is that the same color?
Same color, just frozen.
I should do this frozen.
That would
guys.
be insane.
If I keep this color. Or red, G.
Red would be sick too.
Or mint. I could copy the mint.
Orange.
Nah, G. That's what you need. Imagine we really did bring back the old Finding Nick and wrap this thing Tiffany blue, guys. That would be pretty sick. It'll literally be like the mint M3 that we saw at the dealership a couple weeks ago. You guys remember that? Mint green paint. I really wanted that G80, guys. You guys remember I showed you? But bro, they were asking 117, I think, plus markup, plus taxes, fees, all that. I swear that G80 was probably gonna come out to like 130. Let me say this one with the manual transmission, this one is freaking half the price of that one, guys. So I mean, I'm not dumb. I'm not gonna freaking buy that car for 130 just because it has bucket seats and it's mint green. I could always wrap this thing Tiffany blue and get bucket seats for way cheaper. Who knows, maybe we'll wrap this car soon. I actually do love the color a lot though. It's like a chalk gray. It's called Brooklyn gray, but I think it's like a chalk gray, like the Porsche color. It looks super good in person.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.